Hi there, it's me Adarsh, and in this video I have shown you how to edit your Shopify's debut theme, okay? How to edit the theme, how to upload your logo, upload images, how to create buttons to the announcement bar, everything step by step, okay? How your theme is like optimized for like phone, for tablets, PCs, okay? For everything is covered in this video, okay? So watch this video till the end to get to know about everything about customizing the debut theme of your own Shopify website. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are on our Shopify dashboard. Okay, so to edit the theme of our page, of our Shopify website, okay, just go to this online store option, and you can see by default you will be on the themes option page. Okay, so see, I want to take some time and tell you, see, the theme of your Shopify store is like a one-stop window dressing, okay? Like if like a person is going through a mall and there are different showrooms, okay? So the first impression, the first image of the shop, of the showroom, which the person or the customer sees, is like the theme of your store on the online platform, okay? On your online website, your theme is like the first impression which a person sees, the look and feel of your entire store, okay? So first let's start with the debut theme, okay, which Shopify provides us by default, okay? So click on customize, okay, let it open. You see, here we are on a shop. Now with this we can edit our Shopify's theme, okay? Our stores, this is our store, okay, and these are the options, different options to edit the themes, okay? See, this is like a simple like direct response theme editing software, okay? Like we don't have to customize things, like it's not that complex or technical, okay? Like let's see, like other store, okay, like we have to, as in the previous lectures we have created our logo, okay? So let's put our logo over here, okay? So see, this is like which the header option, okay? So go to this header section, click on it, and then you can see logo. You can align your logo to the left. You can, like, I can make this logo in the center. If you just click like this, you can see other store over here, okay? So let's make it to the left, okay, and let's upload our logo, okay? Select image, then click on upload an image, okay? Then yeah, here we have our store's logo. Yeah, it's uploading, so take some time. Yeah, see, here we have our image of our store, the logo of our store, okay? So that's so easy, you can see, okay? Then just click select, it's uploaded, okay? Now you can change the width of the logo from here or anything, okay? So let's make it 100 only, okay? Yeah, then you can change and remove image from here, okay? Then these are the main menu, okay? You can and edit main menu, you can edit these menu in the menu section of your website, okay? Okay, then you can add the home page only, or can add the announcement, the show announcement, like a 10% sale on our website or anything, okay? So you can add this section over here, okay? Like it's, see, announce something here, okay? You can, yeah, like you can just type in like, yeah, free, yeah, like free shipping worldwide, okay? Free shipping worldwide, okay? Or you can like add like, let's say 10% off, 10% discount, okay? Okay, like this, okay, like 10%, let's say 10, what's the percent sign? Yeah, 10%, 10% discount, okay? So by this you can add different announcements over here, okay? Then you can change the color of the bar or anything, like let's make it red, okay? See, yeah, on the products, okay? See, okay, then you can paste a link, then text, okay, what kind of a text you want, the color of your text, you can change everything from here. Okay, so these are, with this you can customize the header section of your debut theme. Okay, so if you have done with this section, okay, go back from here, from this option. See, don't press this one, okay, it will just exit everything. Okay, back. Okay, now let's edit the, see, like this is the, like the main, like display section of our like theme, right? Image with text overlay. Okay, so find here image with, see, image with text overlay. Okay, click on this. Okay, so see, image with text overlay. Okay, so this is the heading of our store. Okay, so let's give it a heading. Okay, like a simple heading. Okay, yeah, like come and visit my store or something. Okay, you can give it whatever you want. Okay, and like we have like this store, let's focus on selling like dog related jewelry or dog related products. Okay, like you can see I have a dog logo on my logo. Okay, picture of a dog. Okay, so you can give like the text below the, see, you have to make everything related. Okay, like the heading of the this section and the text overlay, sorry, the text overlay below this should be related. Okay, you should not like, don't give a like a 10% off on entire store over here or anything. Okay, see, I've seen in different stores where people like they give an image over here and they don't give any description or heading over here. Okay, so always give a heading, as when a person just visits your store, he will be, or he will or she will be like, you know, like see this first. Okay, the heading of the store. Okay, so you can just give it, yeah, browse store for amazing, let's say dog jewelry. Okay, amazing dog products. Okay, okay, then you can see, you can place a button or in this too. Okay, you see the button label, button link. Okay, so click on button label. Okay, you can just, let's go to, you can like, you have to name the button now. Okay, so let's do browse more. Okay, browse more, dot. Okay, and then button link, like where is your button gonna head. Okay, like see, so from here we, let's choose products. Okay, click on products. Okay, then this button is gonna head the customer to our all products page. Okay, see, browse more, and then the button is created. Okay, so that's how easy. Okay, so now the main thing, you have to change this image. Okay, so as we have already selected the image, go to upload. Okay, let's see this image, this one. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, yeah, see, so here we have our image. Okay, so you can see, like, just by doing a couple of things, see, the look and feel of a Shopify store is completely changed. Okay, now just select this image. Yeah, okay, if you want to like change image or remove this one, you can do this. Okay, you can change the alignment of the image. If you want this image to be on the top, you know, see the top section, or like bottom, you want to see the bottom part. Okay, or like in the middle. Okay, so we will place this in the middle. You can change the layout, that you want a full width or a fixed width image. The section height should be extra small, large, extra large, or something. Okay, the text size, which is these, should be medium or large or anything. Okay, you can like, if you want to make this bold, just do this. Okay, it is bold now. Okay, you can italic, or you can like, you can also insert a link on this one. Like if someone clicks on this, they will head to a different page or a different URL. Okay, so then as you can see this section, and see if let's say I do this. Okay, like middle, I make it top. Okay, I did something, and now I am confused like what I did, how to like how should I revert it back. Okay, then see, we have different options over here. Okay, so this one's, if you did click this one time, okay, it will just undo the option which you just did. Okay, like see, this is on top, do this, see, it's gone back. Okay, and now if you want to go front again, forward, see, click this, and now this is on the top. Okay, so we'll do this middle. Okay, see, Shopify, the best thing about like designing your website in Shopify is like you don't have to optimize your Shopify, the Shopify store and website for different like devices. Like how is your gonna store look on a, if someone opens it, your website on a PC, or someone opens it on a mobile phone or a tablet. Okay, like this is the how your site will look on a PC. Okay, if you click it and click mobile, see, this is how it's gonna look on the mobile phone. Okay, so Shopify optimized everything by itself. Okay, the full screen view, desktop view, everything is over here. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, so just play along with all of these features and you will learn everything by yourself. See, these are everything like text column with images, you can add different things. Okay, so this is how basically you can edit the debut theme of your Shopify store. Okay, and now the moment you save this, see, it's like debut theme is live. Okay, you can edit the code. See, if you know coding on anything. Okay, and if you want to see view the store while you are making it, okay, separately on a different tab, you can click on that option too. Okay, so now that we have like made these changes, now let's save this. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, see, changes saved. Okay, we have changed this. Okay, now when you press the exit button, it will take you to your Shopify dashboard. Okay, in the theme section. Okay, so see, like here we are. See, here we are. This is our like old website. Now let's refresh it. See, this is like a new store. Okay, see, our image, our logo, and everything is over here with that announcement tab over here. See, just with a couple of tweaks, we have like a Shopify store is great. And when we like click on the button, it will head us to the product section. You can see. Okay, see, products. See, we haven't put any products over here, but you can see it's like the all products section. Okay, you can make this button to head to different pages. Okay, see, and I want to like to show you something more. Okay, see, just go to settings over here. Okay, click on settings. Okay, in the settings, go to files option. Okay, see, go to files. Yeah, see, you can see the files which you upload on your Shopify while you're creating your store. You upload an image, a video, a logo. See, every single file, what category it is, like JPG, PNG, when you uploaded it, what's the size. You can get, and you can edit every single image over here. Okay, if you want to delete an image, you want to crop it, everything of related to image, like, or if you want to upload more files, you can upload it from here. Okay, every single file which you uploaded on Shopify, which will be displayed over here. Okay, always remember, go to settings and then click on files. Okay, so this is how easily you can customize your Shopify theme. Okay, just look what a shop. See, just click on a logo and see, this is our page. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products, to advertising, to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.